Hey, thanks for tuning in. It's Daniel from Guns, Garage, and Gear. Gonna do a review of American Detailer Garage F-Bomb with the IK 1.5 foamer as well. Been using this for a while, but I got a new gallon and figured it's been long enough I should do a review on it, show you how it works. So if you do want to watch that video, stick around. I'm going to be watching a very dirty car, some very dirty tires. And yeah, feel free to subscribe if you like other detailing stuff, garage stuff, or gun stuff. That's what this channel is going to be about. So stay tuned, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Alright, so this is my 13 Ford Focus. This is a test subject. Half of it is coated, half of it isn't. But anyway, these are new tires I got 3 months ago, probably about 6,000 miles ago. They've never been cleaned. Don't worry about the rims, they're disgusting. That's just a Ford problem. But anyway, the tires never been cleaned, so they are very brown. We're going to see how F-Bomb reacts to that. Wheel wells are nice and dirty. The paint's nice and gross. Salt and stuff a little bit from winter. Got some grime on here. Some real thick stuff. So yeah, we're going to see how it cuts through. We're going to do a foam bath on it after we do the tires. And yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, let's go ahead and mix this up. So this is my foam cannon bottle. Right now it's like, well, 3/4 full of water. You can see that. I'm going to put the rest of it of F-Bomb. Alright, good. And then this is the IK foamer bottle. As you can see, it's about halfway, but you don't fill this full because of it needs air in there. So we're just going to do a little splash in there. How about that? That looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and load this up.
So one thing that's really important with cleaning the tires is to park on a 2x4. That's something I've been doing for a couple years. It's really nice. They're easy to drive up on, even in this little tiny Ford Focus, so it's not a big deal. But it gives you enough clearance, even on a truck, to be able to get down there. This IK foamer, really impressed with this. I should have got one a long time ago. They came out, 1 or 2 years ago already. That they've been really popular, but I just haven't. But yeah, that's really nice. Dwell time is really important on tires. And then me personally, I just don't really hand scrub anymore. Took longer and it was even messier and annoying. I'm really impressed with the foam on this IK foamer though, and it's a perfect size for tires. Dwell time is really important on tires as well. But yeah, really liking it. And then the pressure washer I'm using is a Simpson 3200 PSI 2.8 GPM. Really good for rinsing. And here's some B-roll pictures of just the tires, really thick foam, so they can dwell for about 3 minutes. And that really gets that deep brown out of them. And you may have noticed I did do 2 rounds of degreasing, and that was a picture of how much I used on this vehicle. So those 4 tires used half that bottle of concentrate. Now this is just a normal Deucichin foam cannon from Amazon, the $25 one. Now this might be different than others, but I don't use soap at all. So I don't use any of that Chemical Guys soap, Americana soap, any of that stuff. Soap's just too weak for me. It doesn't get through any crud. So the only time that I don't do rinseless, I'll foam with a degreaser. That's about it. Because I wanted to just break down the stuff. And then if you want to, you don't even really have to use a mitt after doing this. Sometimes you can just foam it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and it'll dwell. And then you can also do your iron decontamination as well, and really do a reset wash. So this is what a typical reset wash for me is, and that's how much was used. Only half a bottle of foam was used on this one, and I foamed it a lot. But anyway, yeah, if I'm doing a decontamination wash for a ceramic coating, it's really just going to get foamed with F-Bomb or another degreaser. F-Bomb, but F-Bomb foam's the best. And then also going to get an iron treatment, and then just wash with rinseless wash with a brand new mitt real clean mitt that's really not going to scratch anything. So that's the big thing. Whenever you're scratching something that you're of course trying to preserve, whenever you're washing something, don't scratch it. So anyway, for me, soap is just useless. It doesn't provide any extra lubrication, so I use a rinseless wash, and it has more lubrication, and you can see what you're doing. I just use a degreaser instead of soap to really cut through the stuff. Here I'm just doing a drying aid. It's actually Hyper Seal from Optimum. Really impressed with that stuff. I'll last 6 months. And the drying towel is a Dreadnought from Auto Fiber. One of the best drying towels I've ever used. And yeah, overall review, F-Bomb is awesome. It cleans really well, and you're going to see some finished pictures of the paint now, and it's clean as can be, and the tires look awesome. So I absolutely hands down love F-Bomb and the IK foamer.
Alright, that's the whole video. Again, my name's Daniel. I really want to say thanks for watching the video. Definitely appreciate it. Final words, F-Bomb is amazing. Like I mentioned earlier, I don't use any soap anymore, so I've got soap that I've had for years that is just useless to me. Okay, yeah, it foams great, but it doesn't cut through grime, and it's really a wasted step. So if you do want to cut through grime and you can do the tires at the same time, if you have a very dirty, trashed car or something that sat outside forever, you really need to foam it with something that's got some balls. Well, that's dwelling on the paint, because this stuff will stay for 3, 4, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't know. I haven't tried it for 10 minutes, but absolutely. I mean, you saw the pictures of how thick that stuff was. Now, I do have a industrial size, medium industrial size pressure washer, 3200 psi, 2.8 GPM. But anyways, foam's great. So that wasn't even full strength either. Some stuff you got to foam full strength. But yeah, this was like 1 to 10 in the foam can or whatever. Anyways, I digress. I do want to say final words. American Detail Garage product F-Bomb is fantastic, and Billy Bacchus is a great guy. If you're not already in the American Detailer Garage group here on Facebook, you definitely should be. Real close-knit group of professionals. We got each other's back. It's more like a family. And then the second product here, the IK Foamer. This is awesome. So they've got a big one for doing the whole vehicle. That's great. This one is going to be used every day for me that I do detail, because the IK Foam 1.5 is the perfect size for tires, and I only use like half the bottle. So, you don't have to refill it every tire or anything like that at all by any means, and it really does work fine. You got to pump it every tire, but that's worth it. To get that dwell time is awesome. So, anyway, I do want to say thanks for watching Guns, Garage, and Gear, my 3 passions. Garage stuff, detailing, been doing it about 5-6 years. Guns, my passion here. I've got an outdoor range that I get to shoot at, so I'm going to be doing a lot more videos out there when I have more time. And then just garage gear and outdoor gear. So again, I would love it if you subscribed here. I think you're going to like what you see here coming out the rest of this year. And again, thanks so much for watching, and God bless.